Liverworts, types of bryophytes we have to study. Liverworts and mosses. Okay, the first one is liverworts. Now, first of all, why the word liverworts you think? Why it is called liverworts? Because they resemble the liver. Okay, it's not here. They resemble the liver. They grow usually in moist, shady and shady habitats such as banks of stream, marshy ground, damp soil, bark of trees, and deep in woods. Okay. Wherever there is shade and moist, they will grow, such as the bank of streams. If the near the at the side of the stream, you know what is bank of stream and bank of river. Okay, bank of streams means side of the streams, both the sides. Then marshy ground, if the ground is marshy, damp soil, bark of a tree or deep in the woods. Their plant body is thalloid. Example, Markantia. Thalloid, what is thalloid? What is thallus? Why it is called thallus? Thalloid means you cannot differentiate the body into root, stem, and leaf. Here, can you tell which is stem, which is root, which is stem, leaf? No, it is just like a mass, thalloid. Thallus is dorsiventral and closely oppressed on the substrate. Now, the thallus, this is how it is. It is pressed on the substrate. The leafy members have tiny leaf-like appendages in two rows on the stem-like structure. Some leafy will have like this type of structure. Okay. Reproduction asexual by fragmentation and gamecops. These are gamecops. No, they will not ask you explain gamecops. What are gamecops? Like these structures which come are called as game. Game are green multicellular asexual birds which develop in small receptacle gamecops on the thalli. These are game. In this, there will be spores produced. The gamete are detached from the parent body and germinate to form new individual. This will get detached and you will get new individual. This will get detached, fall on the soil and start growing as a new individual. Gamecops. So important term you write gamecops. Okay. So this is first time we are coming across this word. So fragmentation you don't write because we have come across fragmentation many times. But remember that they reproduce both by fragmentation and gamecops. So gamete, they are cup-like structure which get detached from this body and it will grow into a new bryophyte. Okay. Sexual reproduction, male and female sex organs are produced on the same or different thalli. Okay. Male and female sex organs are produced on the same or different thalli. So male and female sex organs will be on the same or different thalli. Same means on one bryophyte you will have both male as well as female, or in some cases there will be only male on one bryophyte, female on the other. Sporophyte is differentiated into foot, seta, and capsule. Okay, the sporophyte, which is the other phase. Yesterday we had done. One is sporophyte because they will produce spores. The other one is gametophyte because they will produce gametes. Two stages are there. In their life cycle, there are two stages. In one stage, they will be haploid. In the other stage, they will be diploid. So gametophyte means which stage? Gametes are usually haploid. So gametophyte stage will be haploid. Sporophyte stage will be diploid. After meiosis, spores are produced within the capsule. After meiosis, spores are produced within the capsule. These spores germinate to form free living gametophyte. Okay. After meiosis, spores will be haploid and these spores will turn into gametophyte, which is also haploid. Then mosses. The predominant stage of this life cycle of moss is a gametophyte. It consists of two stages. First stage is protonema and the second stage is leafy. Protonema will be small stage like, okay, this is protonema, small stage. Then they will get proper leaves and the other stage is called as leafy stage. So you all write this. This is also new, protonema. Okay. Protonema stage, it develops directly from the spore. From the spore, this is the spore, you will get a protonema stage. It is a creeping green branch and frequently filamentous, like a filament it is. Leafy stage, it develops from secondary protonema. As a lateral bud, okay, it develops from protonema. They consist of upright, slender, axis bearing, spirally arranged leaf. These are the leaves. Okay, these are the leaves. They are attached to the soil through rhizoid. This stage be a sex organ. There will be sex organ. They have rhizoid and they have leaf. Protonema is just like a filament. Moss is reproduction, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation and budding in secondary protonema. Moss is reproduction, sexual reproduction is by Antheridia and Archegonia. Antheridia is the male, Archegonia is the female. After fertilization, zygote develops into sporophyte. Okay, we have seen this having food, seta and capsule. If you forgot, I'll just show that first. No. Okay, this is gametophyte and this is sporophyte. Gametophyte means haploid, sporophyte will be diploid. This sporophyte will produce spore after meiosis. After meiosis, diploid will turn into haploid. So spores will be haploid. From spore, you will get new gametophyte or new plant which is gametophyte. If spores are haploid, gametophyte will also become haploid. So this, okay, we are here. Okay, this is that. After fertilization, zygote develops into sporophyte having food, seta and capsule. You saw food, seta and capsule. Okay, or else you see the food, seta and capsule. The sporophyte in moss is more elaborate than in liverworts. It is well developed. The capsule contains spores. Capsule you also know that capsule will contain spores. Spores are formed after meiosis. Mosses have an elaborate mechanism of spore dispersal. It will have different mechanism for spore dispersal. What is dispersal? Spreading means to sprout. Okay. Then example of mosses you have to know Funaria, sphagnum, and polytrichum. Okay, so write the example.